Hi folks, welcome to Myers Orleans Nissan, where we just took in this 2024 GMC. This is the Elevation package, the very capable 5.3 liter V8. Has been kept in immaculate condition. Gorgeous exterior design, very boxy look, all black with the blackout wheels as well. The Sierra also has a tonneau cover already pre-installed, a soft open tailgate to make it super easy to get things in and get things out. Lots of space inside of the cab. There are the heavy duty mats pre-installed in the vehicle. Drop down center armrest for the rear passengers. Keyless entry, push of a button to get in and out of the vehicle. Power seats for your driver. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate control, gorgeous fully digital dash, a huge screen here with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The backup camera is extremely sound as well. Unfortunately, with the tailgate down there, just showing a little bit of the dirt road. Interior has been kept just as good as the exterior. Only 1,100 kilometers on this unit. Please come see it while it's still available.